and then the right piece over the middle.
What? Whoa, 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 whoa. Nina, calm down. What's up, my beautiful babes? I'm back with the wig. She is looking fishy, fine, and feminine, honey. Girl, I have my 22-inch weave on. She is glued down and ready to go for this video. Oh, so as you guys saw from the title, I will be watching a braiding hair tutorial, and I'm gonna try and follow it and recreate exactly what they do in the tutorial. And if you're new to my channel, I am a professional hairstylist and I love styling. I'm very good at braiding and updos and all that stuff, but I have to say, I have never done a braid, or I've done braids on myself, but they weren't really that good. I have braiding videos when I had longer hair, but not that good. And of course, I, picked the most difficult, this hair is just too much for me. I picked the most difficult tutorial I could find on updos and braiding. It is called Loop Braid and Flower Rosette Tutorial DIY. And this video is by Nina Stark. Nina, I don't know if you can really call this a do-it-yourself kind of a thing. Because I'm pretty sure a very select few can do this themselves. But we're gonna see. I don't know, I might surprise myself. And just to preface this video, I am starving right now. I haven't ate and it's 5 o'clock. Also, this is the third video I'm filming today. I'm so tired. And now I'm gonna get so frustrated trying to do this fucking braid that looks so impossible. You guys better enjoy this. So if you've ever wanted to see me extremely annoyed and mad and frustrated all at the same time, well, now is your chance. It's about to happen, okay? All right, Nina Stark, let's do this. Show me how it's done, girl. Let's get it started. I look like a ratchet mess right now. Anyways, I have my little toolbox here, some combs, and all the essentials for updos and such things. So let's get started. Let's play this video and see what she does first.
Hi guys.
Oh,
today's tutorial is for
my
this
God.
gorgeous loop braid and flower combination.
You guys, do you think I can do that?
I'm going to take a section of hair
Okay,
from
whoa.
the top of my head
We're starting.
and clip it away.
Okay.
We're going to use this section later for the combinations.
Okay, how much hair on the... How much hair?
And spray
Stop! I'm already stressed out. Okay, how much hair did she... She's not even showing me how much hair. Okay, I guess I'm just going to do the... I'm guessing it's like a little section on the top. Okay. This feels right. Okay, yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay, clip. I don't even have a mirror. I have nothing. Okay. This is going to be clipped out of the way, I guess. Do I look cute? I should get a mirror. I should really get a mirror. And now, fuck it. Oh, cute. Okay. Feel it.
To make it easier to control.
Okay, I don't feel like wetting this wig.
Divide the section into 3 pieces and make 1 stitch of a 3-strand braid by bringing the left piece over the middle and then the right piece over the middle.
What? Whoa, 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 whoa.
By bringing
Nina,
the left piece over the middle,
calm down.
And then the right piece over the middle.
The left piece over the middle and then the right piece over the middle. I don't know what that means. Oh my God, I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh my God. What? The right piece over the middle? How many strands does she have? The right piece over the middle. And the left piece over the middle. Am I braiding my... Am I just braiding my... I don't know what's going on. Okay. I think I did it. Okay. Okay, Nina. Nina, what's next?
Next, take a small piece of hair from the
I'm just
outside
braiding
of the
it.
strand and
Okay.
hold it with your mouth.
Let me do this over again. Hold on. I thought we were doing like a 4-strand braid or something crazy like that. I don't know. Okay. Just gonna braid it. Okay. I did it. Okay. Nina, I did it. I did it, Nina. She'd be so proud of me right now.
If your hair is shorter, you can also use a hair clip or just leave
Girl,
it down.
I got 22 inches. Okay. Okay.
On the right side, we're also going to section off a small piece of hair and hold it with the mouth.
Oh, God. Okay. We're braiding. Nina, stop for a second. Thank you. Okay, we're braiding. And then taking a piece. Oh my God, my arms hurt so bad. Ow. Oh my God, she has such strong arms. Good for her. Okay, taking this. Mom? No, that was bad.
Make one more stitch of a 3-strand braid. And again, you want to section off a small piece of hair from the left strand.
Okay, Nina. I feel you. I feel you, Nina.
Now we're going to bring the first
Look at me
piece
right
under
now.
and add it back to the left strand.
No,
and
Nina.
Then cross the whole section over the middle strand.
You braid once, you put a strand in your mouth, and then you braid again. Take that piece, well, I'm just gonna try it. Okay. Braid it. I don't even know how to braid it anymore. Oh jeez. I think that's a braid. Feels right. This piece in my mouth. This piece was back here. Oh my God, I have no idea. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I lost it. Yeah, I'm losing it. Okay. I hope you guys can see this. Oh, God. Oh no. Yeah, we're gone. Okay, Nina. Oh, actually, doesn't feel that bad. I have no idea what this looks like. Okay, I'm gonna grab this piece. Oh my God, my arms hurt. Ugh, this is so hard. Nina, I don't get it. You guys, I don't know. How does she do this? She's not even looking. She's not.
Again,
How are her arms still up like this?
Bring the previous
Look at me.
Add it back to the left section and bring it over into the middle.
Okay, I could definitely do this on somebody else, but like not on myself.
When we have repeated the steps on the right side,
okay, I need to try
go
again.
Back and gently pull out the loops from underneath the braid.
Okay, I'm gonna braid it again, just for fun, you know? Feel me? Okay, and then I think I take this piece out. I hope you guys can see this. I don't even know. My mouth. No, I don't know. Oh God, I don't know. It's all backwards. I don't know. Nina, I don't know. Nina, I don't know. Oh my God, this is so bad. I thought I would at least be able to get the first part down. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna braid it like a normal braid and pull the braid out to make it bigger. I'll try and do the flower braid part too, but we'll see. I don't know. Okay, just gonna braid it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it all goes. Okay. Okay, yep. We're tangled. And we're tangled. Okay. Fabulous. Great. Let's see if I can even braid this. It's real hair. I don't know why it's getting so tangled. There we go. Now we're braiding. That's a braid, honey. Who can braid? I can. Oh my God, I'm so annoying. Ow, my arms. Ow, my arms. Oh my god, Nina is jacked. How is she doing this? Okay, I feel like that's good enough. Oh yeah, beautiful. I did it. Ow, my back. I've also had like back pains for the last 3 days. This is probably not very good for that. Okay, putting this on here. Okay, what is she doing? What are you... I get it. You're really good at this, okay, Nina? Okay, whoa. Way too much hair, Brad. Way too much hair. A little too much there. Okay. Ugh! I don't like this. I don't like it. Oh my god. My lace front is gonna come off. This is gonna be so embarrassing. Girl, whoa, girl. Slow it down. Pulling out the right side. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. I can do that as long as I can get this. Okay. Oh my god, my head hurts. Everything hurts. Oops, just ripped out a bunch of hair. Not my fault. Oh wait, it is. Oops. Oh, I can't. If you saw my face right now, you'd be concerned. You can see this. I don't even know if you can see anything. Okay, shittiest braid ever. Pull out the right side, she said. Okay. Oh, girl, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, Nina. Watch out.
To fan out the right side.
Okay. Oh, get it, girl. Braid, honey. I think I'm getting a migraine from this wig. Is that enough?
To create the flower, I'm going to wrap the braid around clockwise and wrap the wrist in the front.
Oh, wait. No, this way. No, this way. No, this way. Oh, you guys, I can feel it. I have a flower on the back of my fucking head.
Please, without the rosette look, grab some hairpins or bobby pins and place them in the braid. When it's secured, you can go back and shape the flower by tucking some more on the sides.
Nina, how do you shape the flower when it's on the back of your head? Am I missing something? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. How? This is not even like... Okay, so I'm pulling out the braid, I guess. Making like a flower. I don't know. Guys, does that look like anything? I'm gonna have to get a mirror and check this out. Oh, it feels ridiculous. It feels ridiculous. Wait. It like almost resembles Nina's braid. I'm kind of... And by almost, I mean like not really, but like kind of resembles what she did. Come on, you have to give me like a 2 out of 10 for this. I'm like almost proud of this. Oh my god. Oh my god, did it fall out? It fell out! It looks so good! Oh my god, I'm so upset right now. I hate everything. Okay, I think I fixed it like a little bit. It looks so bad. This is so embarrassing. I swear I'm a good hairdresser. Okay, well, moral of the story, she's got talent and I'm really bad at braiding my own hair. But no, that was fun. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know and I can make more videos like this. If you appreciated the effort I put into this braid, please give this video a like for me. Definitely make sure you subscribe because my channel is lit as f*** and you're not gonna regret it, okay? And today's Instagram shout out goes to Gabriel. This is his Instagram name. And this is what he looks like. Oh, that hair is everything. Oh my gosh. I'm so jealous of your hair. That is the most gorgeous mane I've ever seen in my life. I've definitely said that many times before, but this might have to be the best I've ever seen. I'm gonna be honest. He said, "Hey Brad, I really like your videos. I have a question for you. Do you think I should go even more blonde This would be my 4th bleach at a nice salon since I have very, very dark curly hair. And here's the inspiration picture for the color he wants to do. You guys already probably know the answer to this. Yes, Gabriel, please go lighter. Oh, it would be just such a look. And I think it said you're a model on your profile, and that would make you such a cool model. It would set you apart from the rest. What just fell? I don't know. It would set you apart from the rest of the models because nobody else has hair like that, and it is beautiful. Just please make sure it does not get damaged because your curl will not be as curly as it is now if you damage it. And that would be so depressing and unfortunate if your curls got messed up from color. Please don't let that happen, please. Definitely give it a shot. Send me a picture if you end up doing it. I would love to see it. Don't forget to check out my merch at fanjoy.co/Brad. It is V-cute, V-sexy. You know how I do, honey. Good. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to live your extra life, and I will see you all next time. Peace.